Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and upvote on Reddit. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, let's understand what upvote is. For example, you use Instagram, you use Facebook. It's basically something like hitting that like button. When you click on like, the people's posts start popping up on other people's feeds as well. And if you like some kind of posts on Reddit, all you need to do is click on this up arrow button right over here, which is going to be the upvote button, and this down arrow button is going to be the downvote. So whatever you press on, so this up arrow is going to go ahead and make sure it takes posts up, and this down arrow is going to go ahead and remove a upvote. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.